Good morning, guys. It's Sean and Kelly back with Cracked Housing Fab, and today we're in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and we're going to head over to Drummond Island. We're sitting here waiting for the ferry, so stay tuned. Driving up.
Sketch.
We made it.
We did.
All right, guys, we made it onto the island. The first stop you should make, so when you come off of the ferry, you just hang a left and you shoot down that road, maybe about 5 miles or so. It's not very far, and stop at Johnson's Sport Shop. These guys are going to hook you up with a $3 map. It's going to tell you exactly where you want to go. So we're going to head down here, and we're going to shoot up Cretan Road, and then we're going to shoot up, and we're going to go over and we're going to check out Marblehead. Okay, so we made it to basically the dirt road that's going to lead back to the trails, Cretan Road. If this is the first video you're seeing from us, guys, this is our Tacoma that we've been modifying and doing some fun stuff with. Started out as a 2-wheel drive pre-runner, and we did a 4-wheel drive conversion. We have a video series on that. Did the coastal off-road front bumper and the Smitty built 9,500 pound winch, so that's all on there. Did some Bilstein 6112 coilovers on it and an ad leaf in the rear. But yeah, so we're gonna head out on the trail and see what happens. It's a beautiful day here. It's on a Sunday, so I don't anticipate it being too busy on the island today. Everyone's going home, but we're right on the lake shore of Lake Huron, so we're gonna go have some fun.
Okay, we decided to deflate the tires a little bit, and Sean bought this tool.
Yeah, it's an ARB easy deflator. Pretty simple. You hook it up, you can see what pressure is sitting at, and you pull the collar back and it'll let air down, so you just run it down to whatever you want. I'll probably run down to maybe between 15 and 20 psi just to make it a little bit more comfortable, you know, and if we come across any rocks or anything, it'll help. We'll also link this in the description, give you an Amazon link for it, so you guys can go there and grab one yourself.
Comes with a cute little case.
All right, so Kelly's gonna walk us through how to use the ARB tool. It's pretty quick and easy, actually. Obviously, take off your valve stem cap. You thread this piece onto the valve stem.
Okay.
And then this outer plunger piece moves back and forth, but you push it in, and then actually you'll feel it lock into the valve stem core, and you start twisting it out. As you do that, you'll start hearing air come out. Now this collar right here, when you slide it back and forth, it'll start and stop the airflow. So when you stop the airflow, you can see what your gauge reads. All right, ran down about 15 psi, and then all you have to do is this plunger goes back in, twist the core back into the valve stem, pretty easy, and then just twist the whole thing off. Okay, once you go down Glen Cove Road for quite a ways, you go like almost to the end, and then it kind of starts to turn into more of a trail. Glen Cove is more like a dirt road. So now we're on like an actual trail. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving. If you ever want to go to northern Michigan, there's a lot of beautiful scenery up here, and this is all along the trail. It's been a lot of fun. Having fun, Kelly? Yeah, we're having a good time. We're just taking our time, and ran into some cool guys with a Jeep group, and they were super cool. We stopped, talked with them for a while. The four-wheel drive community is pretty cool. Everyone's pretty friendly, and yeah, we're just gonna keep moving. We're heading towards Marblehead now. All right, guys, we made it to this kind of cool obstacle. It's like a stair step up. Kelly's gonna jump out of the truck and film it from the top, so shout out to Kelly for helping us out.
Slippy. Whoa, Bert. A little slippy. Alright, there's a good place to park it.
Well, it's a little bit of a challenge, but I think we might have to back up and bump it a little bit.
Alright, we do that. Good job, Skillet.
All right, guys, that was kind of a cool little obstacle. It's actually kind of challenging. I mean, you might need something a little bit more than stock to get up this. I don't know, it's cool. I had to use lockers and four-wheel drive to get up, but I mean, I made it. I probably could have made it without it, but I can't break the truck. We got to go back home. Made it to the trail marker for Marblehead, and then you go right to go to Shale Beach, which we're gonna go to here in a minute. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Marblehead. We made it to Marblehead. Here it is. You can see it doesn't look like much from here. When you walk up, and GoPros never do this stuff justice, or cameras for that matter. This ledge right here is pretty darn tall. Half of my arm's length, maybe about 18 to 20 inches tall. Walk down here. Stuff's pretty nasty. I think you'd have to have something pretty good build to make it up this. This might not be too bad. Still pretty jagged. I would try this stuff with my truck, but again, we have to drive 300 miles home. So if I screw my truck up here or bend a drive shaft, I'm in trouble. Once you come down the steps from Marblehead, we're gonna walk out this way, and we should be able to see the lake from there. There's the lake. Almost fell. Oh, what a beautiful view. We're gonna get a little closer. There's a cool cliff here. Oh yeah, that's a little ways down. What a beautiful view of the lake from up here. This is probably like a 30-40 foot tall tree. That's the top. Here's another view walking back up to Marblehead. Again, seems like this stuff never does, cameras never do this stuff justice.
Well, maybe you could fall and show them how steep it is.
Maybe. I'm hoping those Jeep guys show up and maybe a couple of them will do it. Since we made it here, we decided to have a little snack. Probably not a bad idea to bring something to eat with you, because you get out here, there's no restaurant, there's no gas station.
Or a bathroom.
Or bathroom, yeah, for that matter. So we're just gonna, you know, have some Lunchables, some chips, a little chicken wrap thing, ham ramp, whatever. And we'll get back on the trail.
We can walk underneath the gizzard right now and stand up, you know. Careful your back end, you're going down really hard. That's gonna go bang. Ah, nice. Smooth as butter.
Coming up.
That's stupid.
He will too.
All right, so we just checked out Marblehead. That was pretty cool. Watch the guys in the Jeeps do their thing and have a little bit of fun. We're heading to Shale Beach. Trail does get a little bit rowdy. We're out here by ourselves, and I don't want to put ourselves in a situation where we get stuck and then I mean, I could winch out, but I just don't know. Some of the stuff looks pretty nasty, and yeah, just don't want to be by myself stuck out here for hours and hours. So we're gonna go ahead and start heading back. We're almost back onto the main road, or on the at the end of the trail here, and we're gonna air back up. Obviously, like seen in the beginning of the video, we're at 15 psi. Can't run down the road like that. So I picked up this Viair little compressor. Again, we'll throw the link to that in the description. On my my winch box here, my control box, I got a little 12-volt power plug right here. 12-volt there, and then we have ground. And we got air, so we'll fill the tires up here in a second.
Fill these flatties up.
It just takes just a standard quick connect, just like a regular air hose connect. And this hose is actually pretty long, so obviously it'll reach. And Kelly's gonna fill it up for us. You just take that guy, push it on there, and then push that lever down. There we go. You see on the gauge, you got 15 pounds or so. And we'll pump her up. This has a little switch, and it's super quiet. This thing works great. All right, Kelly went ahead and got it filled up. So that's a handy little air compressor. It only took what, maybe 2 minutes, pretty quick. And that hose and the cable will be able to reach all 4 corners. Definitely a good little unit to grab if you're airing down. Okay guys, we made it back to the beginning of the trail. This is the trail that takes you over to Marblehead. This is off of Glen Cove Road, which is right behind Kelly. But truck did great. Everything was a lot of fun, and we had a good time. It's definitely, if you're in northern Michigan or you want to come to Drummond Island, definitely check this out. This is the North Marblehead Loop, so this will be a little bit easier. They do have a Jeep Badge of Honor trail that is a little bit more aggressive. Didn't want to get involved with that with this truck's not quite there yet. But anyways, this is the Coastal Off-Road bumper. Did great. We do have a coupon code for you guys, CHF5. If you go to Coastal Off-Road, you get 5% off any of their products for mentioning our channel. It definitely helps us support our channel, so do that for us if you're going to pick up some rock sliders, bumper, front and rear, skid plates. They have all that stuff. But anyways, a lot of fun, and we'll see you guys in the next one.